Meet the spinner dolphin, or the acrobat of the sea. Spinner dolphins belong to the order Acrodactylia and the family Delphinidae, sharing ancestry with even other toed ungulates like hippos. Their scientific classification reflects their unique place in the marine world. These aren't just dolphins, they're spinner dolphins, and their world is more complex, more fascinating, and more at risk than you ever imagined. The spinner dolphins are usually up to 6 to 7 feet long and weigh about 130 to 170 pounds. There isn't a huge size difference between the males and females. Besides the spinning talent they have a long, slender beak and a unique 3-part color pattern. They also have a preference for deep-sea habitats and hunt together as a pod at night. Spinner dolphins are fascinating creatures, and their reproductive habits are just as interesting as their acrobatic displays. Spinner dolphins, marine mammals, reproduce entirely in the ocean. Spinner dolphins typically reproduce year-round, but there are peaks in the spring and fall. This timing often factors with warmer water temperature and increased food availability. The gestation period for the spinner dolphin is approximately 10 to 11 months. They usually give birth to a single calf, and they are born to be up to 30 inches long and 20 pounds. The baby's calf stays with the mother for about 3 to 5 years before maturing fully. During this time, with its mother, it learns how to survive, hunt, and avoid predators.
Spinner dolphins primarily inhabit tropical and subtropical waters worldwide, spanning the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They are most commonly found in deep offshore waters, but can also be observed near islands and coastlines with deep water. They are known to frequent the bays and nearshore coastal waters, especially during the day, where they rest, socialize, and nurture their young. At night, they venture into deeper waters to hunt. Their behavior involves both nearshore and offshore areas, with some populations spending daylight hours in shallower, calmer waters and migrating to deeper waters at night for feeding. In the past, spinner dolphins populations was around 2 million. In the present, spinner dolphins have declined to 400,000. The IUCN Red List generally categorizes some species being classified as critically endangered or vulnerable. Spinner dolphins are classified as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List. Tuna fishing is one of the biggest threats to spinner dolphins. As a dolphin swims with tuna, they get trapped in fishing nets. Spinner dolphins thrive in warm tropical and subtropical waters around the globe. They can be found in various locations, including the Hawaiian Islands, Central America, and Southeast Asia. Many tuna companies now use dolphin-safe fishing methods that release if they get caught in nets. Spinner dolphins primarily eat small fish, shrimp, and squid. Most populations of spinner dolphins engage in cooperative hunting, herding prey into dense patches before making a catch. Spinner dolphins face predation from sharks, killer whales, and possibly other toothed whales like false killer whales, pygmy killer whales, and pilot whales. They are known to use their echolocation abilities to locate and herd prey into dense patches before catching them.
Many countries are known to hunt spinner dolphins, though often illegally. These include countries in the Caribbean, the Philippines, and some regions in the Pacific Ocean. In 2021, a new rule was implemented in Hawaii to protect spinner dolphins, prohibiting swimming with or approaching them within 50 yards. This regulation, under the Marine Mammal Protection Act, aims to prevent disturbance and harassment of these marine mammals. The rule applies to all vessels, people, and objects within 2 nautical miles of the main Hawaiian Islands and designated waters. Spinner dolphins are significant due to their essential contributions to marine ecosystems, where they support coral reefs and serve as indicators of oceanic health. Additionally, they are intriguing animals characterized by intricate social structures and behaviors, which include their acrobatic displays and distinctive methods of communication. Spinner dolphins use a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, clicks, and other sounds to communicate within their schools. They also use body language such as jumps, dives, and turns to communicate. Spinner dolphins live in large pods, often numbering in the thousands, and form complex social bonds with each other. They can leap up to 9.8 feet above the water. Spinners turn off the sonar part of their brains when they sleep, so they do not hear any sound. At this time, they rely only on their eyesight. A dolphin can make from 2 to 5.5 spins in one leap. The swimming and rotational speed of the dolphin as it spins underwater affects the number of spins it can do while airborne. Spinner dolphins are a critical part of the marine ecosystem, and we need to protect them. To protect spinner dolphins, people can take steps such as observing them from afar, reporting any harassment or illegal activities, and supporting conservation initiatives like the Dolphin Safe program. Additionally, they should learn about responsible wildlife viewing and encourage tourism operators to implement sustainable practices.